Hello and thank you for scheduling your appointment with us. We wanted to take a moment to explain the basics of our quantum matrix dispute technology, pay-per-delete credit repair program. It all starts with your no-obligation consultation. We will look at the Smart Credit or MyScoreIQ reports and give you your credit rescue plan. During the consultation, we will show you what is helping you and what is hurting your credit score, and give you some pointers to improve your credit in short order, some education, and some tools to help you rehabilitate your credit while we are working. If you decide to move forward with our program, putting your credit rescue plan into action, simply pay us for your initial audit and initial attorney document processing fees to get started. If you have not already done so, please download the forms in the section below. Get those back to us as soon as you can. That will help us get started on your credit rescue plan much faster. We will have you get some credit reports directly from the credit bureaus via annualcreditreport.com and innovus.com now and intermittently during your program. These credit reports help us do a complete audit of your credit reports and draft legally standing disputes during your program. We will need you to keep your Smart Credit or MyScoreIQ account active, so we can monitor your credit rescue plan progress in between Bureau Direct credit report pulls. Unlike most credit repair companies, we work with attorneys to get the results you are looking for. For some, their credit rescue plan will be executed by the attorney, with our assistance, right out of the gate. Others, we will dispute 1 or 2 rounds to build a case if the accounts are not fixed or deleted before your file goes to the attorney. It all depends on your situation, what's on your credit report, and what your goals are. The thing that sets the Credit Dispute Center apart from other credit repair companies is that we do not store your credit or debit card information unless you are on a special payment plan, nor do we charge monthly fees. With the exception of certified mailing postage reimbursement and any additional attorney document processing that may become necessary, you pay us nothing unless we get you results. Things like a negative account being deleted, or improved to help your credit, or if our attorney gets you a settlement or an awarded judgment. If the attorney takes your case from the start, we will be in the background working with the attorney. We will contact you periodically to give you status updates as we have them. I will mention that the attorney will know more about the status of the program. Feel free to contact your attorney at any time to get updates on your case or cases. If we have to build your cases before the attorney accepts your file, feel free to contact us. Of course, we will give you updates periodically. Your credit rescue plan will require a team effort to achieve the results you are wanting. Please respond to any correspondence we, or your attorney sends you in a timely manner. Send us everything you get in the mail from the credit bureaus, creditors, debt collectors, etc. Periodically, we will ask you to send us new Bureau Direct credit reports, to apply for credit we know you may be turned down for, to build your case, or to sign up for credit building accounts to help rehabilitate your credit profile while we work. Depending on your situation, there may be other items in which we will need to work together. Of course, if you experience any difficulty, especially with payment, let us know. We can assist and offer options with anything program related, including payment plans and options. Now let's discuss how we charge for our services. To begin services, we charge for our initial audit of your Smart Credit or MyScoreIQ reports with your credit rescue plan, which is $200. Also, we charge for initial attorney document preparation for the documentation we must prepare to submit to the attorney network, which is $300. That totals to $500 to get started. After this, we do not charge you again unless we have to send letters on your behalf. This is to reimburse us for certified mailing postage and necessary supplies. This fee is $20 per letter we send. Letters for personal information updates and inquiry removal are complimentary as part of your program. If our attorney network takes your file from the start, you will not have to worry about any additional charges until we achieve results for you. If we have to dispute to build your cases individually, after the first accepted case, we charge $200 per case for FCRA cases and $100 per case for FDCPA debt collection cases, for additional attorney document processing. After that, we do not charge unless we achieve results for you. Here's what we charge once we achieve results. The fee for a deleted account, or an account that is improved, to help your credit score is $100 per credit bureau, in which the deletion or improvement happens. The deletion or improvement fee applies whether it came from our disputes or with attorney intervention. If our attorney gets you a settlement or awarded judgment, we charge 25% of the total amount you receive. We do offer special payment arrangements if you are experiencing difficulty. See your service agreement for details. We also offer a military discount for active and former service members. Please let us know during your consultation and provide your military ID or DD-214 so we can send you an amended service agreement. Thank you again for scheduling your no-obligation consultation with us. We look forward to meeting you and helping you execute your credit rescue plan. As a reminder, even though you are signing our service agreement, there is no obligation to you until you pay for your initial audit and credit rescue plan and initial attorney document processing. If you are confident you will move forward with our services, you can follow the steps below and make a payment if you wish. If you do decide to pay now, we will hold the funds until after your consultation, or 3 business days after you've signed the agreement, whichever is last. We are excited and eager to get started on your file, holding those who report your credit information accountable, while helping you achieve the credit report and score you deserve, and helping you achieve your goals, such as home ownership. Thank you for placing your confidence in the Credit Dispute Center.